harassment prevention, at workplaces bill. For instance, for 7-8 years, the rules had not been notified. Finally, it took a tehelka to happen, and finally this entire debate came up. That we had a bill, but there were no rules, and that there were no committees that could be set up because after all, we had just the guidelines.
That was another law which was passed by Lok Sabha in 12 minutes.
Exactly, yeah, without much of a discussion. But then a lot of background work did go into it. The women's organizations, and also, in fact, to give the NCW, which is coming under a lot of flag these days, it also put in its good, at least some work, in this bill. But the fact remains is that when it comes, it's all a question of expediency. Again, political expediency. Even in the case of notifying the rules on the Sexual Harassment Prevention of Workplaces bill, there was this expediency, there was this particular situation that pushed the government, and there was a lot of pressure on the government to act, and now the rules have been notified. The same case, the Lokpal bill also. If it's a state assembly elections outcome, or whether there is this feeling that that corruption has become an issue now and it can't be ignored, okay, and therefore it needs to be passed, and so hook or crook. I mean, it's the sad part is that, as Chakshu said, that every bill needs to be debated because we get to know the political positions of the political parties involved there.
Absolutely.
And I think every person has a right to know what political party stands for what. For instance, the women's reservation bill. The left parties and the women's organizations used to say this always, that let there be a debate. Let us know who stands where, on their support to the bill. Let it all come out in the open. But they won't allow it to come out in the open. By just ramrodding it, pushing it through. Who has the time to really look at the printed debates on the internet and look through, read them? But when you're seeing it live, you have a sense of involvement that okay, this is what this country is about, in a sense.
Right, Mr. Manoj, what do you have to say about this tendency to pass bills without deliberation?